Hi, my name is Chris Palmer. Today we're going to talk about how to properly lubricate a lock. To keep a lock working smoothly and easily, sometimes you need to lubricate it. Graphite works, however, it's messy to apply, and every time you put your key in that lock, you wind up with a little bit of black residue on your key, which then winds up on your pants or on your purse. Maybe not so good. A better way to do it is to get a little WD-40 down in there. It'll keep it, water is really what corrodes things mostly, especially if it's an exterior lock you're using. Let that stuff work in there for a while. If you're doing it on your doorknob, don't remove the doorknob from the door. Leave it in place. Just get the WD-40 in there. Keep a rag handy to catch any drips. Shake both products really well before you use them. It helps to use this nozzle to really get the product inside the lock. Just spray it in there and wipe it clean. Maybe work the lock mechanism a little bit. Put your key in there. Same with your padlock. Get your product in there. The lock works really a lot more smoothly now. You'd be happy you took the time to do it. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you lubricate a lock.